Welcome to the Bibb County School District. During this video, you will learn about the best practices for using our laptops. Laptops should always be closed when they are not in use. Once you are seated and ready to work, you will be ready to open the laptop and log in. When you complete your assignment or assessment, make sure to sign out, shut down the laptop, and close the lid. Whenever you are removing a laptop from a cart or carrying a laptop, make sure you hold the laptop with two hands as seen in the picture. Make sure not to stack laptops on top of each other, especially when you are carrying them. Just like we have names, laptops have parts that have names too. The bezel is the black plastic frame around the screen. The hinges are the flexible joints, and they allow the lid to close onto the base. The charging port is where the laptop charger plugs into to charge the laptop. The base is the bottom portion of the laptop, and the laptop screen displays the image. It is important to remember that the screens on laptops are fragile and can easily be damaged. Our laptops are not touchscreens, so do not touch the screen. You may touch the bezel to adjust the screen glare and to move it forward and backward. Make sure never to pick up a laptop by just holding onto the screen. It is important to remember that you never close the laptop with papers or other objects between the lid and the base. Using laptops and carts, make sure to label all parts. This way, anyone will be able to identify which laptop number goes on which shelf number. Don't forget to make sure the laptop chargers are labeled as well. To make sure the laptops are charging while in the cart, make sure the cord light and battery light are on for each laptop to let you know that all laptops are charging. Assessment laptops, chargers, and carts that are checked out to the schools are different from other student laptops, chargers, and carts already at the school. By using the labeling method, you will be able to differentiate the assessment equipment from the other carts at the school. Thanks for watching this video in order to help you become better at handling laptops at your school and in your classroom.